In our last video, we learned how to set up dynamic instance fields, and we added a few to our New York City micro app. Now it's time to learn how to use these dynamic instances. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a dynamic instance and how to use the various fields. If you're following along with us, you're going to log into your Tiled account. Then, click on the New York City micro app cover image. This is going to take us into the presentation mode of the micro app. In the top right corner, we can see the name of the micro app as well as the word default. Clicking default opens our dynamic instance panel, where our users can enter their custom information. Let's click the plus sign to create our first dynamic instance. When we create a dynamic instance, we're given the opportunity to add customizable information to our micro apps. What information can be customized is determined by the micro app editor. First, we need to name our dynamic instance. This will allow us to easily access the same instance again in the future. From this menu, I can share the dynamic instance with everyone in this Tiled account, or I can leave it private. I'll go ahead and enter in my information for my name, and I can use the default value associated with my email by simply leaving this field blank. For my image, I need to use one that is publicly available online. The simplest way to do this is to find an image that easily appears online, such as our LinkedIn profile picture. We locate it, right-click, and choose Open Image in a new tab. We then copy this URL and paste it into the dynamic field. I'm going to use the URL for my LinkedIn profile and enter it here. Great. Now I click Save. This will refresh my page and show us our newly updated dynamic instance. Want to change something? No problem. Simply click the name of the dynamic instance, then click the tri-dot menu to the right of your title, and click Edit. Make your changes, then click Save. Any changes you make will be pushed to a live micro app. This means that changes you make will be updated for anyone going in to view that micro app, even if they got the link before you made the change. That's it. You've elevated your recipient experience with dynamic instances. Now it's time to explore engagements.